God's idea of a joke. I mean my PS2. Quick here. There we go. That was the first thing he does. Well, we eject. Then we'll set it back up. No, eject again. Woohoo! Alright. And then it stays out. And we get to the main screen on the television. Everything looks fine. No problem. Everything's working great. But it just won't suck up the disc. Just keep spitting it the fuck back out. Suck. Below. Suck. Below. And then it stays that way. Any ideas, please, for the love of fucking God, tell me.